Brief, accurate and important news of today's Wednesday. Mullah Abdul Ghani brother Akhund, Deputy PM for Economic Affairs at the Afghanistan Business and Economic Relations Conference, says that the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan provides all kinds of facilities for foreign and domestic investors and businessmen for economic and commercial growth and fully supports them. The members of the American trade delegation that came to Kabul said that they were trying to release the frozen assets of Afghanistan and remove the sanctions imposed on the banking system of Afghanistan. The delegation added that the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan has ensured the complete security of investors and provided them with all kinds of facilities. Mullah Khairullah Khairkho, acting Minister of Information and Culture, said in a public gathering titled Prosperous People and Responsible System in Faizabad, the efforts of the zealous people of the Badakhshan in defeating and ending the occupation are appreciable and unforgettable. Karif Sihuddin Fitra, the country's chief of staff, said in a gathering titled A Prosperous Nation and a Responsible System in Faizabad city, Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan is the only system in which ethnicity does not exist. There is no language or party base in it, and the whole country is governed under the same rule. Sheikh Abdul Baki Haqqani, director of the National Examination Agency, said this year 4 hours were given to the participants of the entrance exam to solve the problem of lack of time. The Minister of Interior says Border Police and Interpol arrested 4 smugglers who wanted to transfer nearly $70,000 to Pakistan in Turkham part of Nangarhar. In Muhammad Agha district of Logar province, the construction work of the chromite coal processing factory has started at the cost of 75 million Afghanis.